Welcome to the Gardener's Post. So this is the dilemma that we have, is it looks like we've got some sparrow chicks fledging. Now, I hate getting involved in nature because I believe nature has to take care of itself. But we've got a baby sparrow that's obviously come out the nest. Now I've got to mow the lawns. It's on the lawn. Obviously I don't want to run it out. The parents are panicking like hell. So I particularly don't want to touch it. We're going to try and get it off. Probably get it over into actually, I'm gonna. Okay, cool. It's gone into a flower bed on its own now, so we'll leave it. There it is on there. That's good then. So we can leave that. I didn't want to touch it. Really didn't want to touch it, but it seemed to be struggling on the lawn itself. So good news. So the parents are panicking. And as I say, I never want to get. I believe nature takes care of itself. You know, even if yeah, I think we're going to be okay on that. I think it's going to go towards the hedge. That's good news then. I really didn't want to touch it. So I do believe if you touch it and get a human smell on it, they reject it. So good, cool, over and out.